Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to finally be back. I had taken a little break in the last few weeks of my pregnancy, but I am back and baby girl is here. Her name is Ellie Jo. She just turned 3 weeks and I am absolutely in love with her. She is so perfect, a very calm baby. And I also wanted to say thank you so much for all of those who reached out and congratulated us. It really means so much and I just really appreciate it. And for today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I made several quick and simple boho decor DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. For the first DIY, I started off by hot gluing these two items together and I let it dry for at least 5 minutes before I started to paint them. Next step, I'm just going to be mixing several paint colors and I'm going to be adding some baking powder.
To see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck.
Now I'm going to be adding these palm leaves I made a while back. If you guys are interested on how I made them, just leave a comment down below. That way I can make a DIY showing how to make them.
Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow.
I added this rainbow design with some pop-up bubble stickers I got from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using the same paint I used in the previous DIY to paint this face.
There's no time to borrow today.
This is how the base ended up looking once it was done drying. Now I'm going to be adding some pampas grass I had.
It's a good day today. It's a good day to live. Driving down the road that
For this DIY, I needed several pieces of twine the same length, so I just got a piece of cardboard and just started to wrap the twine around. And once I was done doing that, I just cut up both ends and that way I got the same length. for all of them.
What happened? What you're up to today? Remember when we stole your...
Next step, I'm going to be filling up the top half of this wooden dowel with the twine, and I'm just gonna be making a simple knot until I am completely done filling up the top half.
Ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said.
Once I was done doing that, I'm going to be adding some hot glue onto the center.
It was my friend. Way back when. Way back when. Way back.
I'm gonna be cutting off some extra twine just so I can give it the form of a leaf.
Remember when my father taught us how to play guitar, and we started up a band in my garage. We thought our dream would take us so far, but after a week or so it all just fell apart. But we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time right now. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. Way back when, way back when.
For the last and final DIY, I'm going to be putting together 3 pieces of wood planks, and I didn't have any craft sticks, so I'm just using 2 extra wooden sticks I had, and I'm just adding some hot glue to put them all together.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just that
I'm going to be using this Raffia skirt I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be cutting it to a short length.
I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. This being more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, I would love to know what kind of home decor you guys would like me to do. Please leave it in the comments down below. And with all of that said, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.
Oh, 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 oh.